These ES snap-together lamp holders are widely used in the lighting industry, and whilst I would personally recommend using alternatives to this one, which I'll show you later on, I know there are lots of people out there who particularly want this E27 version. I promise you that once you watch through this video, you will know everything you need to know to use this lamp holder straight away. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, and in this video I want to demonstrate the snap-together ES lamp holders. In this video I'll explain the two types of this lamp holder and what to expect when it arrives, how to unassemble it, wire it up, reassemble it. Let's get started. So the lamp holder will arrive to you in two separate parts, unassembled, and keep them separate. And we start off taking the cap. Now the cap has a 10mm threaded entry, and for the purpose of this demonstration I'm just going to screw in a stud. This will normally be sticking out from the top of the lamp you're rewiring, and there, as always, we tighten down the locking screw to ensure it doesn't screw off the stud. Next we will feed the wire through, and at this point I'd like to point out that I always wire it with using a flanged grommet to protect the wire from the metal surrounding in the base of the lamp holder. Now our first terminal we do is the earth terminal, so that's the hardest to get to. Hold there and we'll tighten that down. Next, this is the easier part, you've got the push terminals. Now notice I've tinned the ends here, because without tinning it, it's very hard to use these terminals, which is why I normally recommend for a DIY replacement use the 3-part lamp holder. But here it goes, we're going to go live to the central pin, so that's into one of these, push it in and then give a tug, and you can see that's automatically gripped, so no need for a screwdriver. So it's a faster, much faster way of wiring a lamp holder. And then the blue neutral into the other terminal, push it in, and then you simply push until it snaps together. That one side has gone. I'm using a screwdriver just to lever out the other side and push down, and there you have the lamp holder assembled. This lamp holder I've done has got the threaded skirt. As you can see, we do a range of the smooth skirt ones here, and then in the black we've got the threaded skirt. The purpose of the threaded skirt is so that we can use the shade rings to hold the shade. We have these shade rings in both white and black. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I would normally recommend these lamp holders, which I call the 3-part lamp holders, because you've got the base, then you've got the insert, but notice there all the terminals are screw terminals, so if you haven't got access to a soldering iron to tin the ends, you can still use it. And they work much the same way, and then it's a screw down fit for the skirt, but they otherwise operate in exactly the same way. If you've decided this fitting is for you, you can purchase it here or from one of our distributors. If not, you can view our other similar lamp holders. Please do get in touch with us if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.